everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my Shemodern goodies. Wow, Tina, you have proper spoilt me yet again. I cannot wait to start using all these goodies. Oh, I can't wait. So let's just carry on where we left off last time. I will link part 1 up above so you can go and have a look. So this is Hollow Heart Moon Star Decorative Glitter. And this is Hollow Tinsel, and this is blue. Wow, look at them. Wow, look at that. Wow, that is so pretty. Really, really pretty. I can't wait to start playing with these. I really can't. So pretty. That really reminds me of like tropical waters. So pretty. Next couple of things. Oh, we have this one, and this is Jumbo Rainbow Decorative Glitter. Look at that. So pretty. Wow, I really like that. So many different colours in there. Really nice, and they're not too big either. I really like that. You'll be able to fit a fair bit on the nail. Okay, right, so let's just start getting some stuff out. Okay. Oh, jelly paints. Oh my god. Wow, I've been eyeing these up on Shemodern's Instagram and on their YouTube channel and on their website. I will link all links all down below. So these are new ones, and this is Jelly Sheer Black, and we have Yellow Lemon. And look at the stickers, hollow stickers yet again. It's just so pretty. Wow, thank you so much. I get so overwhelmed because I have never ever been spoiled like this ever by anybody, and it is just, I just can't believe it. Okay, that's a different one, and that's a different one. Okay, we have also in the jelly water paints, we have berry red. Really pretty red. Really pretty. I can't wait to play with these. Also we have green apple, and this is also water paints. Wow, it's really nice. Really nice green. Wow, let's just show some of these. I have some of the pearl opaque ones. Wow, these are water paints also, so these are all water based, but wow, oh, that is so nice. She had pearl pigments before. Give me 1 second. Sorry, I just had to grab my tub. So these were like the pearlescent shimmer pigments she had before. These are beautiful. So these were the original ones. So these are the same kind of thing. If you look at the finish, just this is in a water paint, and this is one that you like buff in. But wow, look how much it's changed. Oh, it's beautiful. So let's just get rid of that. I just literally grabbed it out the drawer. So yeah, we have olive, and we have white. Really pretty. Really pretty. Wow, I'm gobsmacked, literally gobsmacked. We also, oh, we have another jelly one. So this is green lime. Wow. Wow, they are very close together, but you can definitely tell the difference. One is much darker. The green apple is much darker than the lime. Very pretty. And we also have some matte neon water paints as well. So this is neon pink and neon yellow. They're actually quite weighty actually. I'm quite surprised. So that is what they look like. Oh wow, I can't get over how much stuff is here. Again, I can't believe this. Oh, we have clear. So we have a sheer clear, really nice. And oh, we have another pearl one, and this is blue, really nice blue, so pretty. Also we have another jelly paint, and this is brown coffee. That is definitely brown, almost black. And we have another pearl opaque one, and this is yellow, really pretty. I love staring at these in the bottle. They are so nice. I cannot wait to start using these. Wow. And we have black, opaque black as well. Let's give it a bit of a shake. There you go. That one looks like very nice. And look at the color of the sticker. So they all have different colored stickers. So yep, so that's a neon. So the matte, yeah, so the matte, pearl and the jelly all have different coloured hollow stickers on. Amazing attention to detail. That is really good. I really like that. Wow, very nice. And then we have white, and we have pink fuchsia. Wow, look at that. Very nice. Wow, look at this white. Wow, I am totally gobsmacked. One note goes there. Got a couple more left. Wow, we have neon yellow. Look at that. Oh wow. And then we have a grey matte one. Let me just mix that up a little bit. So that is the matte grey. Wow, that is definitely neon. Wow, I can't believe this. Wow, I really can't. And then we're down to the last three. So this one is navy blue, and this is another jelly one. Really pretty. And then we have purple lavender. Oh, so pretty. Really pretty. And then we have the orange coral. Wow, I don't know what to say. This is just wow. This is amazing. Thank you so much. I am forever grateful for everything you have done, Tina. You have supported me so much. You will never know how grateful I am. I nearly forgot these. This is, I think these are the ones that I brought. So this is the glue. So you have medium tack and you have light tack. So the light tack, I think, is for your decals and things like that, and the medium tack is for your pigments, like the glitters and pigments and that, as far as I can remember. And I like the way that they are two different shades of blue. So the lighter blue to represent a lighter tack, and the darker blue to represent a more stronger. I really like that. I really do. Very nice. I really like them. Can't wait to start using all this. I mean, it's just crazy. But yeah, as I was saying, Tina, you will never know how grateful I am for all of the support that you have given me. You have always been such a big supporter of my channel and of the other girls' channels as well. I mean, you really do. You support us in so many ways, and you spoil us rotten. I mean, wow, I cannot get over how much stuff that I have. And yeah, I can't wait to dive in and start having a good play, and yeah, coming up with lots of different designs. So keep your eyes peeled. So thank you so much again, Tina. I'm floored again. I'm very much lost for words. Normally I can ramble on for hours, but I am lost for words right now. Thank you so much, and I cannot wait to start doing reviews and doing some designs for you. Well, let me know down below what you think about all these amazing goodies. Wow. And yeah, if there is something in particular you want to see first, let me know, or I will just work my way through. Wow. Yeah, I will post pictures at the end, and I will link my Shemodern playlist, and I will link the first video as well. It will be up in the eye and at the end. Well, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Head over to Shemodern on Instagram, YouTube, and check out their website as well. All links will all be down below. They always are. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much again, Tina. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to both of us, please subscribe, and hopefully we will see you in the next video. Well, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye.